guess the school things. Chatty English kids. Hi, friends. Welcome back to our learning game, Guess the School Things. Are you ready to guess what's inside our classroom today? Let's look closely and find out. Ready? Let's go. This one is long and yellow. It has an eraser on top. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's a pencil. Yay! We use it to write and draw. This small thing helps us fix our mistakes. Oops, what is it? Yes, it's an eraser. Great job. Look at these lines. We write our letters and numbers here. What could it be? That's right. It's a notebook. Woohoo! This one carries all your school supplies. You wear it on your back. What is it? Yay! It's a backpack. Nice work. Snip, snip. We use this to cut paper, but safely. What could it be? Yes, it's a pair of scissors. You're so smart. I have numbers, and I help you draw straight lines. What am I? It's a ruler. Excellent. Look at all these bright colors. We use them to draw and color pictures. What are they? Yes, crayons. Amazing job. Sticky, sticky. I help paper and crafts stay together. What am I? It's glue. Well done. It's big and yellow, and it takes you to school. Can you guess? Yup, it's a school bus. Beep, beep. The teacher writes on me with chalk. What am I? Yes, it's a blackboard. Great job, everyone. Uh-oh, our pencil tip broke. We need something small that makes it sharp again. It makes a funny sound. Shh, what is it? Yes, it's a pencil sharpener. Wow, you guessed all the school things today. You're so smart and ready for class. Which school thing is your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun guessing games. Bye-bye, friends. See you